The horrendous terrorist attack conducted against Israel by Hamas on 7 October 2023 was a turning point. Hungary strongly condemns these horrific terrorist attacks and calls for the immediate and unconditional release of all hostages. Since then, Israel has been fighting the terrorist organization Hamas with the aim to prevent such monstrous terrorist attacks ever happening again. The evil of terrorists is well shown by the fact that they use innocent civilians as well as education and healthcare facilities, including those associated with the United Nations, as shields. Sparing the lives of both Israeli and Palestinian civilians is of the utmost importance now as well as in the future, with a sustainable peace free of terror. The terrorist attack of 7 October 2023 can also be considered a turning point with regards to the intensification of activities in the field of international law in relation to the conflict, including those of the esteemed court. We welcome that the esteemed court has called several times for the immediate and unconditional release of the hostages held by Hamas, and underlined that all parties to the conflict must abide by international humanitarian law and international human rights law. We must also note that the proceeding brought before this esteemed court may directly contribute to the escalation of the conflict. We are of the view that the present and the former requests for rendering an advisory opinion, as well as the procedure initiated by the Republic of South Africa against the State of Israel, may be considered as an interference in an ongoing conflict that does not contribute to the de-escalation and an eventual settlement. It is our conviction that politicization of the court and, in fact, utilization of the court creates new dividing lines and continues to fuel tensions.